Take a ride in the 2016
BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, LED headlights, navigation system, dual airbags, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle Program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-Owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect.